So I have got absolutely no product on apart from moisturizer. So the next product that I would go on to applying is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray. I absolutely love Fix Plus Spray. It's a definite must-have in your kit. So I just spray that all over. It's so refreshing. My favorite scent is actually lavender. The next product I always apply is a primer. Primer is really important. So I've got the Lancome primer here. It's got an SPF 50 in it and it's called the UV Expert Youth Shield. I've sent this a while ago and I like it that it's got the SPF already in it, so I don't have to have two separate products. So I'm applying probably about this much. So the next product that I like to apply to get that really beautiful dewy illuminating look is the Serenity Makeup Illuminating Lotion in the colour Diamonds. So I'm just going to apply a small amount, probably like half a pump. Don't need a lot, so around about that much. And I am going to apply that on the areas of my face where the light would hit. So now that I've got my glow going on, I am now going to apply the foundation of choice. The foundation I'm going to use today is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. So I was sent these a little while ago, and the colour I usually use when I haven't got a tan is 203, but at the moment I've got a little bit of like a self tan on, so I'm going to probably be using this one, I imagine. But we'll just see. So I've had to mix two colours, which is the Infallible Pro Glow 207 and 208, just to get my perfect colour because my tan's a little bit faded at the moment. So I'm kind of like an in-between colour, but if I was going to go buy it, if I was you, I would go and just see what colour matches you the closest. I would have, put it on your jawline and just see which colour matches up the best. Obviously it's good to have a colour for when you've got a bit of a tan and a colour for when you don't. So next I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer under the eyes. So I'm using the Maybelline Concealer in Light number 15. This one here. So I'm just going to apply that under the eyes, kind of like a triangle.
Not backing down, 'cause the future is now.
So I've just gone in with the MAC Mineralise Skinfinish powder in medium golden. So I'm just using it in the areas that I get sort of like really shiny naturally. So that's just a little bit on the chin, on the sides of the nose, just on the top of that forehead where you get super shiny, because the difference is we want to look glowy but not shiny and sweaty. So that's why we still need a bit of powder but just not everywhere. So I've just started applying bronzer to under my cheekbones using my Serenity Makeup Malibu bronzer. So I'm just taking that same blush brush, sized brush, and we're just going to apply it underneath our cheekbones. And see how it creates that really beautiful bronzed sort of look.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for...
So a lot of people also have quite a lighter neck compared to their body, so I'm just going to apply a little bit on my neck. I've got a bit of spray tan on, so it's not like a major today, but let's just do it anyway. So today I have decided to use Warm Soul blush, which is like a MAC Mineralized blush. It's beautiful and soft, and it gives that soft glow to your cheeks as well.
It's time to be someone I wanna recognize.
So I like to apply the blush sort of like in the apples of the cheeks there, and then just basically flick it up so it joins into that bronzer, so you haven't got any gaps between the bronzer and the blush. And then our highlighter is going to sit nicely just up there.
Come back around. The future is now.
So for the highlight, we're going to use the Serenity Makeup Glow Highlight Powder in French Silk. So we're going to take that one and put it up on the cheekbones. I've just put a little bit there on my hand so you can kind of see the effect of it. It gives a really, really nice natural glow. So I'm going to take my fan brush and we're going to apply that just below the eye. So you can see it's starting to get that really nice glow there. We're going to take it up just underneath that brow bone as well. So we're also going to apply it down the middle of the bridge of the nose as well. I like to put a little bit just above the brow bone. a little bit on the cupid's bow. This is a really good trick if you want your lips to look plumper, is to put a little bit of your highlight powder just there. So you can see how it's making it pop there. The fan brush makes it really easy to get a really nice precise application. So now you can see that we've got a really nice highlight going on. So that is the finish to my beautiful glowy skin. I'm also going to set it with the Serenity Makeup Setting Spray. So just a few pumps of that. And it's just going to help it set it, make it last all day, help it to stop fading, and yeah, it just helps to loosen up any of those powders which have set on the skin, helps it to look like your own skin again.
Future is now, not backing down, 'cause the future